Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your favorite village boy, Mr. Ghana, baby. And I've always been telling you
that is so crazy, and I find it from Wode Maya, and this thing is so mind-blowing, and let's go there and watch this.
Always been telling you guys that agriculture is the future, and I'm not going to stop talking about this until I see the youth of Africa investing in agriculture. I am a farmer, I'm not a fisherman, but I keep on telling you guys that the things that we overlook, those are the things that can earn us more money.
So you see, agriculture, I want to introduce everyone. We are more used to that kind of place, and one work that they do invest more is farming. Farmers are the greater and the best investors. They invest whilst they don't think of risky. Always they invest and manage risky. And farmers are people who has put themselves, govern themselves in such a way that many things that we do see, it's like we think of, oh, they are rich. Indeed, they are rich. By, you see, things that they do or they need to receive back as their profit, they don't get it. You see, I am in a farm. Oh, that's when I go to farm, and I go to my yam farm. So when there was the harvest time is up there, I was doing harvesting, and you see my yam, how my yam is big. Oh gosh. So guys, we love harvesting, but what I want to introduce to everyone here, you in Africa, please, I'm a young person in Africa, across the world, please educate yourself to make something, to invest in something, and I will urge you to invest in farming. It's one type of thing that if you invest in it, you are not going to lose your money. And I'm so sad now. I think my pig farm is gone last week, and let me make 1 minute quiet for my pigs. I was not there, so I wasn't able to take picture of them, but it's so cool. True, I was having a pig farm, and I just traveled from my place and go to Kumasi to do something. So when I was there, and they told me that the pigs, they have gone because instantly sickness come into them and they died. I think I was starting, so I was having about six pigs. They are not small, they are big enough. They have all died. So guys, but I want to urge everyone here is that invest in farming. Farming is one big thing. If you invest in it, you are going to get more profit and you're not going to lose your money. So invest in farming and invest more in that. You're going to love it. God bless you. Be with me. Motion is my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, comment, and share. If you're new on the channel, turn on the notification bell. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I pray for you that God will bless you. You're never going to be the same. You being an African and you love Africa. You being in this world, call yourself someone better in the future. God bless you. May you be transformed, and I'm also transformed. Oh, God bless you.